can't believe we get to watch from the starting line. The best seats in the house. Why'd you bring jetpacks?
It's time to show them we are more than meets the eye.
Oh, no.
And they're off!
Crazy! Sure feels like it.
The Iacon 5000 has begun.
Sorry, are those miners in the race?
Miners! Those are miners like us!
Can't believe what I'm seeing here. There are miners trying to run.
You gotta be kidding me.
This is insane!
There's miners in the race!
Miners? No way!
They can't even transform! It's Orion Pax D16!
This is a first in Iacon 5000 history. How are they going to survive?
If we survive this, I'm gonna kill you!
I accept those terms.
It's Tailwind pulling into the lead down the main stretch, followed by Scrape and Skyfire.
Hey, look out!
I owe you one.
More like 1,000! I can't believe we're not in last place!
Darkwing delivers a devastating blow.
We're not fast enough!
Improvise.
Hey! Get off! Get off! Big fan! So sorry, big fan!
Get off. I'm just right. And now.
Move!
And the miners have fallen way behind. We can now focus on the real contenders in this race. I don't believe it! The miners take down Darkwing!
Great effort, Darkwing.
That worked! It actually worked!
Is this the dumbest thing we've ever done?
Oh yeah, it's up there!
Wait. Go, go, go.
Four-bot pile-up in the magnetic tunnel, and the two miners are now in first position! This is unbelievable!
D.
No! Go! Leave me!
No. We do this together.
One miner is now carrying the other, mere steps from the finish line. The most amazing, sensational, dramatic, heartbreaking, exciting, thrilling finish in the history of... We have a winner! Chromia comes from behind to take the prize! Talk about an Iacon 5000 for the ages!
Well, second place is still pretty good.